One major enhancement added to the Flownex 2023 minor update release is the improved GIS file importer. Attributes in the shapefile can now be mapped to component inputs, facilitating an easier and more efficient import process for modeling large piping systems in Flownex. This is very useful for modeling large pipelines used to transport gas across countries, as well as modeling distribution networks for gas or water in cities and towns. In the new Flownex version, the shapefile import configuration window will appear with the newly added attribute mapping selection window on the right. In this window, attributes defined in a shapefile can be mapped to inputs of the components to be imported. Properties such as diameter, length, pipe roughness, insulation thickness, insulation conductivity, insulation thermal capacitance, and ambient convection coefficient can be mapped here. Next to the attribute field is a drop-down list of properties defined in the shapefile that can be selected to be mapped to the appropriate input property. The inner diameter attribute will be selected for the diameter property, and the unit will be specified as millimeters, as this was the unit used in the shapefile. After the configuration is completed, the import button is selected to generate a network. The Generate Background Image window will appear as it did in the past, where you can create a background image for your network. You can use online sources to generate a map using the world coordinates when connected to the internet. Alternatively, you can use the shapefile or skip this step. The Being Hybrid option will be used to generate a satellite image for this network. Here is the imported piping network with a satellite image as its background. Here you can see the imported components and the imported properties from the shapefile. The length, diameter, roughness, and insulation properties are defined. From here, you only have to add boundary conditions and assign a fluid to the piping system to solve the network. This enhanced importing functionality significantly reduces the time to simulate a large piping system. If you would like to learn more about this functionality, please refer to the release notes or consult the comprehensive manual for in-depth information. Additionally, if you have any questions or would like a demonstration, feel free to reach out to us at flownex.com.